Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the world of system design documentation. Specifically, we'll explore the best practices for documenting and effectively communicating your system architecture decisions. This is all about making sure everyone understands the choices made and why they were made. Now let's discuss why documentation is crucial. First, it provides knowledge preservation by capturing decisions and reasoning for future teams. Next, it enables faster onboarding, allowing new developers to quickly understand the system architecture. Clear documentation prevents architectural confusion, which reduces debugging time. Last but not least, it helps with better decision-making, ensuring that historical context helps inform future choices. Let's explore architecture decision records, or ADRs. What are they? ADRs are short documents that capture important architectural decisions made during the project lifecycle, including the context, the options considered, and the rationale behind the decision. Here's a basic structure of an ADR. It includes a title, status, context, decision, and consequences. Here's an example of an ADR template. The title is ADR 001, Database Selection for User Management. The status is accepted. The context states that we need a database solution for storing user data, with high consistency requirements and complex queries. The decision is to use PostgreSQL as our primary database. And the consequences are that ACID compliance ensures data integrity, it provides rich query capabilities with SQL, but it requires PostgreSQL expertise in the team and has higher operational complexity than NoSQL. Next, let's talk about design documents. The purpose of a design document is to provide a high-level system overview, outline component interactions, describe data flow and architecture, and define technical specifications. Key elements include system diagrams, API specifications, database schemas, and performance requirements. Now, let's explore the various documentation tools and formats available. You can use Markdown for simple version control documentation. Then you can use Confluence, which is a collaborative wiki platform. There is also Notion, which is an all-in-one workspace solution. Next, there is Miro and Lucid, which can be used for visual diagrams and flowcharts. Gitbook is also available, and it is a technical documentation platform. Finally, you can use code comments, which are inline architecture notes. Let's discuss the best practices for documentation. When writing content, keep your documentation concise and focused, use clear language and avoid jargon, include visual diagrams when helpful, and document the why, and not just the what. For maintenance, review and update documentation regularly, archive outdated decisions, keep documentation close to the code, and make it a part of your workflow. Here are some key takeaways to remember. First, document decisions as they happen, not after the fact. Second, focus on the context and reasoning behind architectural choices. Third, keep documentation close to the code and regularly updated. And fourth, use ADRs and design documents as complementary documentation tools. Remember, good documentation is an investment in your team's future productivity. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.